Hi, today I'm ready with Oppo A17 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button on the right side of my phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and that it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, as just with a simple touch on the power key. I'm not pressing it, I'm just simply touch it, just unlock device successfully. So this is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.